What's going on, YouTube? Today I did a crazy thing. I went to the Next, right? Anybody that does not know, the Next is like the shopping store for the military on base. I bought myself a brand new MacBook. And this, in case you can't tell, it's a Touch Bar 1. I was very happy with myself. I've been needing MacBook for a while. I'm gonna learn how to edit on it so I can get some good quality YouTube videos up to y'all. I'm so happy, dude. It's crazy. But I'm gonna plug this real quick. A lot of y'all have definitely seen me from my TikTok. I got 70 some subs, I think, in the last like 2 weeks, just from TikTok alone. So I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for the love and the support. If y'all haven't checked out my TikTok, here's a little clip.
Those girls like you, around guys like me, so now I come through on a girl like you, yeah.
What are you, fucking gay?
Okay, now that we saw that clip, well, sorry for some of y'all that had to see that, because I know not everybody likes TikTok. But I'm gonna link my Instagram and Snapchat and all that down below in the comments. So y'all saw the title though. The title, we're gonna be making my personal all-time favorite healthy meal. All right, so now that we're here, let's pull out the ingredients, right? Right, so now that y'all saw the ingredients, right, all back there, now that y'all know what's in it, I'm just going to explain what I'm going to do. So first, the chickens are frozen, so we need to defrost the chicken. So what I personally like to do, I'll get a Ziploc bag, right? I'm going to take the Ziploc bag, I'm going to defrost the chickens, okay? After the chickens are defrosted, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another Ziploc bag. I'm going to dump paprika, the all-purpose salt, oregano. I'm going to dump all of that into the bag. I'm going to shake it up, and the chickens are then, I'm going to let it season like that, because I think, personally, I don't like doing the little drizzle on, I like doing that, and I'll punch it just a little bit, you know? Beat it down just because it makes it kind of fun. Let that sit for like 30 so minutes. After that, butter up the pan. Okay, so we're gonna take the pan here. We're gonna butter the pan up. Once the pan is buttered up, I'm gonna put some oregano in there as well, because I really like my oregano. I really like seasoning. It's so good to me. So, and then we're gonna after that, the pan's all warm, the butter's melted, and the oregano's in there. We're gonna dump the chickens on there. Once the chickens are almost done, we're gonna start the rice up. And what I like to do with the rice, some people do it, some people don't. For me, I like putting a little bit of butter into the rice. It helps it not stick all and stay all clumpy, and it helps it become a little bit softer. So I like that. So I'll put a little bit more butter into there. Then once the rice is put on, I'll then put the broccoli onto the into the pan with the chicken as well, because I like the broccoli. Steamed broccoli is cool, but it's just I like having a little bit of flavor to it, you know. So I'll do that. Then I'll put it all into a plate and I'll eat it. Let's go see how this goes. first. Did a lot of seasoning this time. A lot. Oh my gosh. It's juicy still. And oh, it's perfect. Let's see. Yep. Not too dry. Look at that right there. So we'll get it in focus. Alright. A little bit of crisp. Let's try the rice. Hot. Yep, cooked. The butter helps it. Butter gives it a little bit. Let's try some of the broccoli. Let's try broccoli and chicken together. Here we go. So as you were able to tell, that meal, super simple, super quick. It took me probably a total of an hour for the defrost, cooking, all of that. I mean, it didn't take too long. So if you're looking for something healthy, that's the meal, man. That is the meal. Yeah, I put a lot of butter, put a lot of seasoning. You know, I can make it a lot healthier. For me, that's a healthy meal. So, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching and staying this long. If you haven't already, hit that sub down below. Hit that like, comment. Give me another food to make for y'all or something. Appreciate y'all again. Love y'all. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.